All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls from all ages, thank you for being here, all right? So today we're going to be working on fractions, all right? So we're going to be multiplying fractions, and we are going to be dividing fractions. The lower number here, just real quick so we can briefly go over some words here, some recognition of this area of the fraction here. What is this called down here? What is this number called down here?
6.
It's a 6, but it's called a denominator. Good job. This is the denominator at the bottom. What about the top one? Numerator. Numerator. Good job on that. Perfect. All right. Real quick on that one. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the multiplying. Can anybody give me an example where you actually use fractions in the real world? Where do we use it at? Where? Taxes to calculate numbers, like for example, percentage. Okay, taxes, I could get it. I could see where you bills to calculate percent on a bill. There's another way, ladies, where even you guys, your parents, your mom, your dad uses it every day in the kitchen. Where? Rent besides the rent. But I mean in the kitchen, yes. Food. For example, ingredients, recipes. When it says put half of a cup, or half of the milk, or half of this, half of that, it tells you to insert. For example, when you're doing pancakes, what does it tell you? Put 2 eggs here, half a cup here, 1/4 of a cup, or 2/4 of the cup, etc. All right, so that's what it's telling you to do. So you got to be able to follow those, the recipe, and do some fractions there, all right? That's where we use it on a daily basis. Like, for example, our parents, our wives, or daughters, family members that cook, they use it every day, all right? So that's something that we use on a daily basis of the kitchen, all right? Now, real quick, right here, let's work on the sample here. 5/6 times 1/3. So what is the first step that we need to do here? Yes.
We need to keep the 6.
This is, remember, multiplying. We're not dividing. So what do we do here? What's the first step?
Switch it.
What is the first step that we're doing? Yes, right here. Raise your hand, please.
We're multiplying across it.
Multiplying across, which is 5 times 1 equals 5. Do we multiply across here too?
Yes.
Yes, we do. That is step 2. 6 times 3 is 18. Good job on that. Perfect. All right. Now, when it comes to dividing fractions, it's just a bit different. It's almost the same, but it's not. Well, you got to be able to do the KCF, and it's not a KFC. You guys are making me hungry with that. What is the KCF? What does this stand for?
Keep, change, flip.
Keep, change, flip. Good job. So we got to be able to keep this number, 1/7, which is 1/7 here. You rewrite it. And then we keep what? We change what?
We change the
symbol?
The symbol into times.
From division to what?
Times.
To times, which is multiplication, right? Good job. Now, what do we do with the 3/8 here? Yes, sir, over here.
The 8 goes on the top and the 3 goes on the bottom.
So we
change, flip.
Flip. Same concept, but different wording, okay? So we flip it. So then our question from this went to a multiplication, right?
Yeah.
So it went from a division problem to a multiplication problem. So now all we have to do is the same thing we did over here on top, which is 1 times 8 equals
8.
8. 7 times 3 equals
21.
21.